I'm gonna start this video with my garbage cans because that's what I'm working on. I think I've wasted 2 hours of my life here on starting to type up a thread, not including the time I spent last night, but you know, I got the kids home from school. I was home at 8. Here it is, quarter of 9 o'clock now. Now, don't get too close because here's some of my grinder wheel and spray paint. It's my top quality work there. But I have just spent nearly 2 hours going around, and I was, you know, like that black stuff, for the most part, I've been like trying to rub that off of the bright work. I mean, I'm not gonna get it to shine like new, and yes, I need to hit the car with a pressure washer, but I have wasted time yesterday doing that and that, and yeah, it's not gonna stop the rust from coming back, but believe it or not, this looks a lot better. There's some of my hamburger wheel that's still raw. I forgot to paint that area, kind of overshadowed by things like that. And that, put a nice big antenna cover on there. It looked real good, like a real big antenna, grommet, huge. I got tail lights in the trunk, so maybe I ought to take some of these Euro headlights and laying all over, and put some of that junk on this. This car is a chrome piece for the middle piece of the trunk. But this thing's never going to be nice. Even this panel that I took off of the 300 SE, it's got these rust things in here, but it got a nice reflection of the trees, so you can definitely see the difference. You know, after I didn't spend a ton of time on the top here, but that's a replacement panel. Looks much better when you look there. And here, it needs a lot more work if I really cared enough. But over on the other side, you see about where I stopped there, and it's even worse, but I guess you do get some reflection through it. But you can definitely see where I stopped. Well, maybe you can't see on the video, but the hood is all pitted. These are like little, they're all over the place. So